Alright, hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to do a crop opening and crop closing transition effect. Alright, so alright, without further ado, let's get started. So right here inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, I'm currently using All Panels Workspace. Alright, so to get the All Panels Workspace, all you have to do is click on Window, click on Workspace, and then click on All Panels. Alright, now I have already here a sequence that we can use. 005 Walking is the name of the sequence. Alright, to apply the crop opening transition effect in our video, all we have to do is to search for the crop effect in the effects panel. Alright, so I'm in the effect panel right now. Let's search for crop, C-R-O-P, and then let's drag it here to our timeline, which is dragging like that. There we go. Now we'll write out the crop effect here. So let's go to effects control, make sure it's go to selection tool, make sure you select this, and you go to our effect controls here, scroll down, you will see the crop in here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're going to add a top and bottom crop. All right, so let's go up, push the down arrow or the up arrow on the keyboard to go to the very first part of our clip. All right, and then under the crop effect here, so in the let's create a toggle animation. Let's create a stopwatch so that it will create a keyframe in our timeline. All right, so also let's create another time frame here, or another keyframe here. All right, so we have two keyframes from top and bottom. All right, so we're going to crop on 50% by typing 50%. So what's gonna happen is it will crop the top portion of our video 50%. Now let's go here at the bottom. Let's do the same way, so 50% too. Now it's crop the lower part of our video here 50%. All right, now you can just simply drag this blue playhead to wherever you want to do the transition, and then you can just slowly increase it back to 0. All right, so it will reveal the top and it will uncrop it to 0%. All right, also we're gonna do it in the same way with the bottom part, so we're gonna change it to 0 too. All right, so once we play this video, there you go, that's what's gonna happen. All right, now you can change, right click on this, and you can just put to Bezier or ease out, ease in, ease out in here. All right, so it's really out to you. So let's change it to ease out. Okay, to make it just a smooth transition a little bit, ease out. All right, so once we play this one, there you go. As you can see, there's an ease out on this part of the transition. All right, as you notice. Okay, I'm gonna play it again so that you can see. There you go. So it's a bit so it's a little bit smooth, with these kind of keyframe. All right. If you want to finish it with that kind of transition too. All right, so we're gonna do the crop closing transition effect. We can just drag these two keyframes, Command C for copy, and then since our blue playhead is already here, we can press Command V to paste our keyframes. All right, so this one and this one is kind of the same, so it will stay on this part. All right, on that time. All right, now we want to finish on this kind of keyframes too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this by pressing Command C, and then we can just press here the down arrow, so it will automatically snap to the last part of our clip. Make sure that the snap blue magnet is already turned on. All right, but it's turned on in the default. So right, and then you can just simply go here in the effects control and then paste it by pressing the Command V. All right, the keyframe is already here. So if we're gonna play this, all right, let's try to play in the timeline by pressing the space bar. There you go. And so that's how you do the crop opening transition. All right, and the crop closing transition. All right, so let's try to play with a large screen here. All right, and that's how you do the crop opening and crop closing transition effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.